many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined.
Alright guys, so I'm test riding an XJ6 and it is fucking loud as hell. The only reason I'm not revving it because there's a police car just behind me. But you can hear how loud this bike is. And the pops and crackles just make me smile. This is my friend's XJ6. It's really comfortable though. I'm enjoying this bike, I can't lie. You know, so this is my first time actually riding an XJ6 and it feels really nice. It's a bit heavier than MT by about 30 kilos, but it feels nice. The power to weight ratio is really good on it. Come on. I'm enjoying like the filtering on this bike as well. It's really like easy to get to. Oh my god. There's a lot of traffic for some reason today. Don't know why. And the pops on this bike are just next level. So I think this bike is a good beginner bike as well. Really loud, like this is a tension whole bike. Oh my god, the pops and crackles on this bike. I wanted to do a test ride in the morning, but I had no time, so I just took it to work and I'm riding it back from work now. And it's really nice. Like, I wouldn't say get one if you had the MT, then get this. Sell your MT and get this, because that's a bit of downgrade, because MT, this is all like top end power. Maybe not a downgrade, but it's, I don't know, I wouldn't do it. There you go, that's my opinion. I would not do it. It's not a thing I would do. I would sell MT and get this. I'll get MT still. But this is more of like commuter bike and long journey bike. Because on this bike you can just sit without like within the whole rev range, and it doesn't matter. It can be high up in the revs or it can be low in the gear, like low in the revs. So when we take a left on this roundabout, I'll put it in, I don't know what gear I'm in right now. I think I'm in second. I am in second. That's third, that's fourth, that's fifth, and now we're in sixth. And like, if I roll on the throttle, you can see I'm in sixth right now. It's slowly going there. And it's really smooth. Like when you open the throttle, the bike delivers it really smoothly. So I think this is a good beginner bike. If MT is too torquey for you guys, get this then. This is hella smooth. And the one downside of this bike, at slow turning maneuvers, you can feel the weight. It weighs over 200 kilos, so yeah, you can feel it. But otherwise, I have no complaint about this bike. If it was just a bit lighter, I would love to own one. If it was the same way as MT, that would be, oh my god. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and yeah, I'm just gonna shut up now and you watch and listen to the bike. A little downshift, shall we do? Why is there so much freaking traffic today?